everybody. Happy Friday to everyone and welcome back again. Thank you for joining us this week. This is week 3 of our Halloween Memorydex Card series. And this week we created our shape-shifting Memorydex cards. I will be sharing 4 shaped MDCs with you. And after you finish my video here, please head over to Paper Sweet's channel. That is Sophia's channel, to see what she created this week. And we also have a guest joining us. So after you see Paper Sweet's video, also head over to my BFF's channel, Diva29. I will make sure I leave the links in the description box so you guys can just click and go ahead and watch. So we have lots of different ideas for you this week. And let me go ahead and get started on my video. So we wanted to make some shaped Memorydex card. We thought that would be fun. And so this is what I came up with. And so for my very first Memorydex card, I created this Halloween camera. So I hope you guys can see that. Now I do have a camera die and I did use it. This is the Say Cheese camera by Echo Park. However, I didn't use the base or the body of the camera because I wanted it to be taller. And so basically all I did was cut a 4" and 3 1/4 tall piece of cardstock, or I should say this pink glitter cardstock. And then I just rounded the corners. And then I used, I think I used my die to create the bottom part. And I think I used this Memorydex die right here from Alina Craft, this bottom one right here. Because at that time, I think I didn't have my punch, or I couldn't find my punch. So I did that, and then this top piece right here, which is cut from the holographic paper, that I just actually use this KS Craft spider web MDC right here. So this is another shaped Memorydex card. I did incorporate it in here, but I cut the bottom part right here, and then I put that on the bottom. And then this part right here, I went ahead and put it just off to the side. Because that's not like my main focus. I wanted it to just be the actual camera. And then for the center part, I did use the lens that they give you, the lens die, but I also used this cute little spider die. You guys know I am so in love with these Queen & Company dies that I have been playing with. And this one again I used, which is the Creepy Creatures. You guys saw it last week. I also used it for my shaker Memorydex, but I had to reuse it again because I just thought it would look so cute in the center of my camera, just for a fun, you know, spooky cute look. And so those are the, you know, the buttons that I used, you know, for the camera, obviously. And then I didn't use the little teeny tiny dot that they had over here. That is this one right here. Instead, I just used a gem, and then I did hang another charm that I made, just, you know, using my stash. And I didn't want it like swinging too far off to the side there, so I actually glued this down. I hung these spider web. They are, I think, 99-cent store sequins. You know, they come with the sequins pack. And I just hung it on the jump rings, and then I actually glued it down because it was just kind of swinging and, you know, kind of flip-flopping. So I kind of didn't want to do that. So anyway, I have some, a little pom-pom that I think I got Michael's. Just a little pom-pom charm. I made my shaker again with the cute bow sticker from Michael's. And then here's that cute little cat. The little chipboard piece from Frank Garcia's 31 collection. And this is a spider that actually is part of this web die. And I just put a Happy Halloween chipboard there. And that is my first one. And I did back it up just because I wanted something to adhere the, this black part, the camera buttons or camera lens piece here. I forgot. What is this called? That part of the camera. I just wanted it to be more sturdy, and so I did put this other piece of cardstock, which I did cut out using, again, that Memorydex card by Heidi Swap. Just to give it some sturdiness there. And then this one I think I layered like a couple of times too to make it super sturdy, the spider web. So anyway, that is my first shaped Memorydex. I hope you guys like my little camera here. I also used, again, reused I should say, the Hocus Pocus die set or kit that is from Queen & Company, and I used this again on my last Memorydex, but I couldn't help it. I wanted to use it again, and what I did this time though is I traced around it to create this bigger haunted house. Do you guys see that? So I just did this freehand, and I used two different papers, as you can see there, just to give it more pop, because I didn't want it just to be like all black on the background. And I love this cute little paper full of candy, and I thought it was perfect for this trick-or-treater. So I made another. This one is not the puffy sticker that comes with the collection, but I think I've just fussy cut this one because I just love that little ghosty guy or girl. And then this is a puffy sticker, and this is a puffy sticker. And then as well as these right here that I put down, the candy corn. And then these are American Craft stickers that I think I had purchased from Target. And I wanted the bats to look like they were flying. And they are dimensional stickers. They have foam in them. And it comes in a pack. And I thought it would be really cute to just add some bats. And I wanted it to be on the haunted house, but I also wanted it to be kind of flying in the air. And the way I was able to achieve that is to go ahead and put them on a piece of acetate. So this is actually, let's see, did I do one or two? I think I just did one strip of acetate. You can see it kind of right there. And all I did was I put the acetate, it's sandwiched between the top layer here, and then I have a 100-pound cardstock, and that way it looks like they're flying above, and I thought that was so cute. And then I also cut out another one of these. You guys have seen this, but I wanted to do it in an orange web this time, so I had my Cricut cut that using my Crafty Boutiques file, the Haunted Night downloadable kit. And it is a shaker, so I think it's just so adorable. And it just gives it a little height too, because otherwise it is a little small of an MDC card, but I thought that was super cute. For my last two Memorydex cards, I wanted to make some cupcakes. So I used a couple of dies. So for the first one, I actually used a new die that I haven't played with. And it's this one right here, which is a cupcake topper die. I didn't use all the pieces. I just used this one. And I did cut out the topper, but did I cut the topper? I think I only cut this one and this one, and then I did two pieces so that I would just have a front and a back, so that it doesn't really fold like the topper would. And I made it into a shaker. And then I have this is part of the Queen & Company die. I just wanted to put the witch the witch legs and feet on there. I thought that would be just a fun little cute decoration on the cupcake. And I put some bats here. And I did cut the legs down a little bit just so it would fit the cupcake. And I kind of just placed it where the little slits, or they're not really slits though, they're supposed to be like the icing, the folds of the icing, I guess you could say. And anyway, I just did that. I put some candy corn stickers, which I think these are Doodlebug candy corn stickers, if I'm not mistaken. And then this cute little googly-eyed spider, and another one of my spider webs in pink this time. And I think that's about it. And then the bottom part here, I actually just kind of freehanded it, and I made it nice and sturdy, so it is a couple of layers of 100-pound cardstock, heavyweight cardstock. Started out with like a rectangle, and then I just cut it down a little bit, and then I punched it out, and then it's sandwiched again between 200-pound cardstock. And yeah, so you can definitely make your own you know, this part of the Memorydex card, just basically using a punch. So that is my third Memorydex card. So I thought that came out so cute. And then I was reminded when I was pulling out all my Halloween stuff, my friend Liz Russell had made me a cupcake decoration on the treat bag, and she used this really older Sizzix die. It's called Cupcake Cherry, and it's a steel rule die. One of my first cupcake dies, I think, that I've ever had. And it's a nice size. I love it. And I had a different idea for this one this time. And I decided to go ahead and just have fun with it. And this is what I came up with. So it is, again, another cupcake. And I just went to town decorating this one. So it's not a shaker. I did just cut out the shapes. I think I cut everything except for the cherry and the flower right there. And I did use some tulle to just make this this paper. Just it actually has a web design already, but I kind of wanted to just add some texture to it, and so I did that. And then I put another one of these spiders, and this die right here, this is from another KS Craft die, this bow die. I think it was part of the candy apple die set. And then I just added some chipboard pieces, and then these candy shakers here, that's also from a Queen & Company kit. I told you I've been playing with my Queen & Company kits, and it's from this Candyland kit right here. And so I used the lollipop and I used the candy right here. And I thought that would be really cute to just add to the top. And like I said, I just kind of had fun with it. So I have the, I wanted the candy to just be kind of like picks, like a candy pick sticking out of the cupcake. And I thought it was perfect because of this design paper here. And again, this is from 31, Frank Garcia's 31. And I thought that was super duper cute. And so of course this cupcake has candy corn and sweets on top of it as a topping. Just added some like random bats here, and it's just a little fun cupcake, isn't it? Our challenge for next week is add buttons and bling, and our bonus challenge is Double Trouble. Make one Memorydex to keep and make another one to gift to somebody, your crafty friend. All right, guys, I've taken up enough of your time. Please head over to Paper Sweet's channel and to Scrap Diva 29's as well. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend. Bye.